Have you ever wondered what it would be like to bring your wildest stories to life with just a few clicks? Let me show you something that will blow your mind. This entire cinematic sequence you're watching right now was created in under 2 minutes, using nothing but text prompts and AI. Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to use OpenArt Story feature step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be creating your own professional-looking visual stories that will make your audience wonder how you became such a skilled filmmaker overnight. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to head over to OpenArt and create an account if you don't have one already. I will put the link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. As you know, OpenArt is an amazing platform to create images and videos. We have already made several videos on this amazing platform. Recently, OpenArt introduced a very interesting tool called One-Click Story. This amazing tool allows you to make character vlogs, music videos, or explainer content with only text prompts. Now, before we start creating, let's talk about the different types of stories you can make. OpenArt gives you 4 main options, and each one serves a different purpose. First up is character vlog. This is perfect if you want to create content where a personal blog but in video form. You could use this for storytelling or even just fun character-driven content. Next, we have music video. This one's really cool because it lets you sync your visuals perfectly with audio tracks. Then there's explainer video. This is your go-to for educational content, product demos, or anytime you need to break down complex information in a visual way. And finally, from scratch. This is for when you want complete creative control. No restrictions, just you and a blank canvas to create whatever vision you have in mind. Alright, let's create our first story together. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the character vlog option because it's probably the most versatile for beginners. Click on character vlog. Great. Now we're in the creation interface. Before we start adding content, I always recommend taking a few minutes to plan out what you want to say. For our example, let's say we're creating a short story about a character who discovers a magical library. Okay, first of all, we have to select the character. Here you can see my previously trained characters and some community characters. You can select anyone from here. If you have a new character, then select the custom option. Set the name of the character and then upload the character image. Once done, click on Create Character. Okay, our character is set. Now we have to enter the vlog topic. For example, I am typing, "Discover a magical library," after the name of the character. Next, we have to set the aspect ratio of the video. After that, set the BGM. Here, you will find several options. You can select Auto Select, use a song from Suno, upload a new song, or choose a song manually. If you don't want any BGM, then select the No Background Music option. I am selecting the Auto Select option. In the end, we have advanced settings. Here, we can select the image generation and video generation models. For the image, I will select the Flux Context model. And for the video, I am selecting Cdance Video Generator. Once everything is set, hit the Create Story button. Now, it will take around 1 minute to generate the video. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look. This is really amazing. You can see that it perfectly creates a storytelling style vlog video with our character. The character remains consistent throughout the video. The visuals and lighting are just perfect for the environment. In one word, it's a great video. Now, if you want to customize the video, click on the Edit This Story button from here. It will redirect you to the AI-powered video editor interface. This is the timeline mode. You can switch to the storyboard mode. Here, you can see the generated images and video clips. If you think you need to change any scene, then you can regenerate the image and then turn it into a video from here. If there is any issue with the prompt, you can customize the prompt and then regenerate the image or the video. You can do it in the timeline mode also. Just select the scene you want to customize and then come to the right side. Here you will find the still image and image to video generation prompt. You can customize them and regenerate the scene. If you want to add a new scene, then come back to the storyboard mode. At the bottom, you will find options to add a new shot. Once the shot is added, you can generate an image with text prompts or upload an image from your device. Once the image is set, generate the video using the image-to-video generator. In that method, customize all the scenes. Once you are done, you can see the preview from here. If you are satisfied, save the video and then hit the download button to save the video to your device. You can share the video directly from here, so now you can create this kind of amazing character vlog video. Now imagine you created a song and want to make a music video. Then you have to select the music video tool. After coming to this page, you have to upload the song. If you generated a song using AI, you can enter the link. After the audio is selected, we have to select a mode. Here, you will find 3 options. First, the style. If you want to use this kind of stylized video, then select this option. If you want to create a storytelling video, then select the story mode. And if you want to create a singing video, then select the sing option. I will select the story mode. There are 2 options in the story mode, auto story and 1-star story. I will select the 1-star story. If you select the 1-star story, you have to select the star. After that, you can select the story topic. I will leave it blank and let AI choose automatically. Next, set the aspect ratio. After that, in the advanced option, select the image and video generation model. Once everything is set, hit the Create Story button. Like before, it will take some time to generate the video. So, I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look.
You're my falling star shining from afar. I'm lost without you, don't know where you are. Tears upon my skin, calling out your name. I'm a broken soul, never be the same.
This is a perfect music video for my song. So, now you can create this kind of music video using the OpenArt AI Story tool. Okay, now, like the vlog video, you can customize the video using the OpenArt editor. Once the video is ready, save it, and then download it to your device. Alright, want to create a full-length explainer video? Then you have to use the explainer video tool. After coming to this page, you have to enter the script. You can even create a script using AI. After that, select the video style from here. After that, select the voice actor, aspect ratio, background music, and then the image and video generation model. Once everything is set, hit the Create Story button. And here it is, the video is ready.
Hypersonic missiles mark a radical jump in warfare. They fly at Mach 5 and beyond, outracing the crack of their own sonic boom. Their secret is shape, razor-edged bodies that skim the upper air instead of arcing into space. While a ballistic missile rises and falls like a thrown stone.
I think it's a really amazing storytelling video. Now you can customize the video if needed. This is not the end. You can create any kind of videos using the OpenArt AI Story tool. With the From Scratch feature, you can create a full film. I am planning to make a separate video on this feature. If you want more, let me know in the comments section. So now with the one-click Story Maker tool of OpenArt, you can create high-quality videos within a minute. The possibilities with OpenArt Story feature are truly limitless. You can create educational content, marketing narratives, personal stories, fantasy adventures, or even complex multi-character dramas. The tool democratizes visual storytelling in ways we've never seen before. So don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of creating videos using OpenArt AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!